Good afternoon. So a disclaimer here, Stockholm Water, we deal on a global level, not just in Stockholm. The name is supposed to bring in more on how sustainable and how close we are to the clean operation, basically sustainable water treatment. So the reason why we think this is important is because, as some of the main speakers said yesterday, you want to create a supply side in Europe, and you also want to for the demand side that's being generated. If you want to bring up manufacturing, you need water treatment resources. You cannot use your current water treatment resources, which are already quite low in terms of freshwater resources. The current technologies today don't serve or cannot be flexible enough to meet the requirement in terms of circularity, energy consumption, also the various kinds of new contaminants that we keep discovering every now and then. It's a big market, and we have a solution which can help in that. Our solution is, why not mix up both energy generation and water treatment? So you can store energy and clean water simultaneously. And how do we do that? We build supercapacitors which clean water. They use dirty water as the electrolyte, so while you can remove the contaminants, you can also charge the device, and then you can get energy back from the device when you discharge it. One of the key factors that also helps us to sell to bigger customers, industrial partners, is the flexibility in terms of how we use the system. You cannot just clean the water to one level. You can choose what level you want to clean the water to via software. So it's quite flexible in terms of how you can operate. And with the changing regulations all the time, it becomes even more important if the same hardware can meet changing regulations in terms of your discharge water qualities. And the segment is quite, I would say, broken up. There are so many different technologies in the market, each of them with a certain purpose, which makes it very difficult to bring up a full-scale solution because you have to mix and match. So if you had one technology which could meet the functions of various other technologies, not only do you make your building the solution much easier, but also the OpEx cost is reduced quite a bit in terms of how much time you need to spend, how much manpower you need to manage the solutions. So we have been on the market for around 1.5 years now. We have been working with some big customers. Some of them you'll see here: Veolia, AstraZeneca, Heineken, SKF. One of our key applications is water dehardening. So wherever you have hot water, hard water, we are a chemical-free solution. You can with a very low energy consumption, and we found this out with the customer. It's not something that we've tried it in our lab. We're also very good at nutrient removal and pesticide removal, hormones removal from water, which we are evaluating with Veolia and several pilots in both in Switzerland and in France. As a company, we started in 2018, and right now we are in a stage where we want to scale up. We've got the value propositions in place, the customer names in place. We are looking at just getting a little bit of bridge right now, around 1 million euros. If you're interested, please come and talk to us. The team is very much motivated to take this technology forward. We're getting a lot of interest from the market. The two founders are still part of the team. We have a very supportive board, all of which we want to push all the advantages that we have to the customers. And if you want to be a part of us, of this water transition, somebody said yesterday, make the system modern. So we have the option of making the water treatment sector modern. Come and talk to us. Thank you.